ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, we want to see if we refer to our analysis. When the price was within this, we mentioned we can get the down move, we get this, and we know we're within this correction. We want to see what's the next. Some of the traders, they request for the update because they want to know whether they, if they either sell, what they should do, and like how they can trade it. Okay, first of all, if you want to talk about the, we start with the, like how we can look for sell. Before we talk about the how we can, I mean how we can sell it, we should be aware this kind of the move even sometimes can continue to break out this top. Okay, why? Because we were thinking the price to break this top, but the only way was just within one candle sharp move and reverse. Okay, but we should be aware if there we have this kind of the up move, we should be aware of this kind of the corrective move. That's why if they want to sell, they cannot sell within this. And from what we have right now, the only way is if you want to look for sell, having entry below this or here. It depends on them. And what we want the price sharply tag and continue. Okay. If tag this is not moving, we just take out the trade within 1 or 2 hours because the price is at the top. Okay, we should know that. And the only way we can look for another trade setup, for example, sharp move with a flag, if this one become a deeper correction. But right now we cannot. And by the way, if we get any sell, it depends how we get it, whether from here or if we get the deeper correction. As long as the price come to this low, we need to start to manage it. Okay, and that what we expect the target is this two line which I put here. I have changed it, and the first one is 1.088, the second one is 1.004. Okay, but having entry below this or here, I just leave it to traders. Depends how they manage it. And actually, there is no much changes in compared to our analysis from my last update. And now I give a second update since some of the traders they ask for update. All right, and if I move to 15 minutes, as we can see based on 15 minutes, the reason I was keep mentioning may this one can turn to a corrective move and continue to the stop. As we can see based on 15 minutes, we have this sharp move. Can this one be a I mean the sharp move with a correction for one move up? And how would if this one continue as a corrective? We should be aware of this if anyone wants to look for sell. All right, still you can expect the price move a bit higher. And if you want to look for buy, okay, the best thing is we mentioned if we get one move down, the price drop one more to finish this move, it can give us a better confirmation to look for buy. But the only times we can see I mean we can conclude that this one is not going to give us a one more drop is in whether the first one is if the price continue similar to what we have here as a corrective. The another one, whether from here or here, if we get any sharp move with a small correction, then we can conclude that this one is not going to drop and easily can give us a buy setup to break this top. Okay, we should be aware of that. That's why we don't sell within this. We suddenly we get a sharp move correction for continuation. Okay, anyway, right now we cannot buy or sell. The only thing is we need to see how we can trade it. We need to get the trade set up. For example, for buy, if you want to buy from here, any sharp move with at least a small flag, we see the change in the direction, we can look for buy. And for sell, right, if unless this one become deeper, we get the reversal or having entry below this or here. Again, having entry, we need to price tag and continue. If tag is not moving, we don't stay with the trade. All right, actually we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we need to follow the chart and see how we can trade it, what's the changes. Okay, and we don't jump into a trade without getting without getting any trade setup. Again, the price is at the top. If you buy, the price reverse, or even if you sell, the price break the top and continue. We need to be aware about that. By the way, we just follow the chart. We have no much changes, and if I see any trade setup, can confirm for the next move, I will update. No, the only thing is we need to watch out this. And as we mentioned, if they can give us one more drop, then any buy from there, we will be more interested. Okay. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any changes, I will share. Thanks.